Welcome back to SBR Roofing's channel. Today we're in Crenshaw on an apartment building. This building is a unique challenge at a steep 6 and 12 pitch, which means we have to worry about employee safety and also how to handle equipment and materials on a building that's that steep. For this project, we chose to install an Owens Corning Duration Premium Cool Shingle system that's known for its longevity, durability, and strong aesthetic looks. If you like this kind of content, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel so we can give you more examples of real roofing in Southern California. Now sit back, relax, and watch as our roofers get to work, showcasing our workmanship and precision of quality.